Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some slab door design and styles. A slab door style is exactly what it describes. Flat panel doors that have no ornamentation or beveling. The edges are 90-degree corners, the two different cabinet styles that offer the slab door style are framed or frameless. American or framed is a 1.5 inch wide faces frame at the front of the cabinet box. The doors and drawer front rest against the frame, and the door hings are attached directly to the face frames. The framed style is usually a bit more expensive because it has more material and craftsmanship involved in the manufacturing. Slab cabinets not only look clean, but they are better at staying clean. With the lack of ornamentation, they are easily wiped down. Slab cabinets have a timeless look that resists more trends. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Slab door can create two different looks in a kitchen or a bathroom. One that's sleek and modern, the other is plain simplicity. If you are remodeling a modern kitchen or changing your kitchen or bath into their style, consider using solid hardwood or wood veneer slab doors on your cabinet. Slab doors create these smooth, clean, and uncomplicated lines of contemporary designs. Slab cabinet finishes tend to be either natural wood or a bold, dramatic color such as blue, red, or black, as it is true of any style of cabinet doors. Slab doors can be constructed in many ways, and the construction method largely dictate the cost of the cabinet. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.